everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth, and today we are going to revisit BeautyFIX by Dermstore ×2. If you are not familiar with BeautyFIX by Dermstore, it is a monthly subscription that Dermstore puts out. It will vary in price depending on if you, not just by how many months at a time you purchase, whether it's 1 month at a time or 3 months or 6 months or a year or whatever they offer. But it makes a difference whether you pay for all those at one time or if you subscribe for that length of time but pay for it monthly. So what I did is I got a 3-month subscription and I paid for it up front. So depending on if there's coupon codes or different things, you can get a discount off that. But it's like $70, I think, for 3 boxes to pay up front. So these are great. These are going to be a mix of full size and trial size and sample size products. You are supposed to get at least $100 value per box. And in case you're wondering why we have 2, a nice thing about Dermstore is they oftentimes have previous month's boxes available for purchase as a single purchase item. So this box is actually the August box that I purchased for $20, $19.99. So when I paid for my subscription and I added this to the order, it ended up being no shipping for this one. Ordinarily, I think it was like $7 or so shipping because I was under the minimum purchase for just 1 box, but I waited and ordered it with my subscription and saved the shipping on this one. So this box was $20. So I'm going to show you the August box first, and I'll show you why we got this one. I say we because my sister and I, we usually go together on these subscriptions, and we split up the products that are in them. And there was something specifically in here that she wanted, so we went ahead and got the box. And I have bought previous month's boxes for just 1 item before. There's, I think it's MZ Skin has a face mask. It's like a $35 face mask. And they had it again in one of their boxes. And I bought the whole subscription box just for that mask. So here's a sneak peek into our box. And again, this is the August box. We're going to do the October box here in just a second. So I've got a card that gives me 15% off with my next order. And I have a code for that. So that came with this. So that's really cool. This is a super full box, you guys. It has some great products. And again, this was, I think, 23 or 24. I want to say it was $70 or $75 for the 3 months. I'll put it here in the corner. I'll give you guys a list of the different ranges of what the costs are here in the corner. But starting off with the first product that's in here is a Cosmetics Skin Thirst Moisturizing Hyaluronic Acid Cream. So this one, and I'll also put the values in the corner. This box does not come with a card to tell you the value of different things, but this one is from Cosmetics. And this is just a hyaluronic moisturizing cream. So I say just. That's an amazing thing to get. If you are my age, we'll say I'm coming up to my 53rd birthday. So in your 50s, you need extra for your skin. So this is the Cosmetics. It comes in this is the 2-ounce size. I do believe this is full size. I will post in the corner for what is full size, what is trial, and what the values of it says. At least the best knowledge I can give you on that. The next thing in here is from Chorus, and this is a foaming cream cleanser. This is going to be a deluxe travel size. I am almost certain. This is 75 ml size. This one is just a foaming cleanser. I will say just, but I mean, I say just a lot. There's nothing really like special about this one. It's just their cleanser. So, but Chorus is not just a Just brand. It's a great brand. And this one is the 75 ml. I'm going to call this a travel size or deluxe sample size. I could be wrong and it could be full size, but usually a cleanser full size is 5 to 8 ounces, but we shall see. The next thing we have in here is from Lancer, and this is the Method Nourish Formula Combination Skin. And this is it's going to be a sample size, deluxe size sample of a Lancer product. And you got your little Lancer tube. And this is the Method Nourish Normal to Combination Skin. So I'm going to say this is probably a moisturizer product. It could be a serum. It does not say. So we got a Lancer trial deluxe sample size. The next thing we have is from Babor, and this is Collagen Firming Ampule Serum Concentrates. And this is going to be instantly smooth, firmer looking skin within 7 days. This has 7 ampules in it. I think this is going to be a full size. I don't want to open it in case I'm not the one that uses this. but they are, that is what they look like. There's just little ampules. I'll get a picture of what they look like and post it here as well. But this is a Babor collagen firming. It's instantly smooth, firmer looking skin within 7 days. I have another set of Babor ampules I never have used. I'm not even sure where they are, but I think I probably got them in a BeautyFIX box. But they're usually really expensive, so I'm not sure that this would be considered a full size. I want to say that 7 ampules is full size, but I'll post in the corner again what the value is and if this is full size or not. The next thing we have is going to be another little sample size. This is from ISDIN, and this says this is Fusion Water Magic Daily Protection. It looks like it's an SPF 40. Okay, so this is an SPF 40 broad spectrum. So this is going to be just a sunscreen. But even though we're coming into winter and fall, the sun is still out there. Protect your skin. We all need to use some SPF products year round just to protect the skin, keep your aging down as much as we can. Our next product we have is a little sample from R & Co. And this is Candy Stripe. And this says this is a detangling spray. This says protect and keep detangling away. So this is definitely going to be a travel size from R & Co. The full size of this, I will put in the corner how much it is and what size it would be if we had one. But this does give you a good one to take with you on the road or just to try and see if you like it before you spend a ton of money on it. Okay, so this is the reason we got the box. This is Skin Cuticles, and this is, I'm sorry, Skin Cuticles. I've always said this wrong. How come nobody's ever put in the comments that I call this wrong? I always call this Skin Cuticles, but it's Skin Cuticles. And this is Discoloration Defense Daily Corrective Serum. Helps reduce the appearance and of key types of skin discoloration from all skin tones. So this will be for dark patches. My sister and I both have some dark patches on our faces that we would like to get one down. I have one kind of in my eye over here, eye area. So this we thought we would try, and Skin Cuticles, you just cannot say that. Skin Cuticles is a very expensive brand. I don't know that this is not a full size. This is a trial size, but I'll put in the corner what the full size would be compared to how many ounces is in here, so we know what we got. So again, our first box, we got our Skin Cuticles. So I think it's supposed to be a play on pharmaceuticals, but it's Skin Cuticles. But it's very hard to say Skin Cuticles, at least for me. We got our cosmetics, and this is, I think, a full size. We got our Chorus Foaming Cleanser. We got our Babor ampules. Pulling all the curlies out. Our Broad Spectrum Sunscreen. We got our R & Co Detangler. And we got our Lancer sample. So in this box, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 products. And I think at least this one is full size and maybe the Babor. So we've got at least 2 full size, I think, products in here. We'll find out. Well, you'll know by now whether we got full size products in here or not. But at the very least, we got really great products for our $20. Again, this box was only $20. This one is the August box. So you can still at least, I only ordered mine honestly last week. This is Sunday. It was the middle of last week. I got them super fast. So $20 for, and they had July as well. And you can see what's in the box. So they had July and August available. Probably pretty soon they will have August and September, since now we're in October. Speaking of October, would you like to see what's in the October box? This was part of the subscription. So this is the first of my 3 boxes that I purchased. And this is what's in here. And it looks like we got another Skin Cuticles product. So this is the Advanced RGN 6 Regenerate Cream, visibly help reverse aging and skin tone damage. So this is another Skin Cuticles product. This will be another just sample size. But the last Skin Cuticles product I got, that little sample was worth a fortune. I mean, I say a fortune, like $20 or $30 for just the sample part of it. So we'll see how much the full size is versus how much we got. I'll post here in the corner for you. Next, we got a Jane Iredale Color Luxe, and this is a hydrating cream lipstick. And there's no picking your color. Everybody got the same one. Well, there's no picking your color, but it doesn't mean everybody got the same one. So we got a Jane Iredale lipstick, and ours is in the shade Scarlet. Took me forever. This is in the shade Scarlet. I can't. Okay, that is not going to come across. But this is the shade Scarlet. And let's see what Scarlet looks like. It looks like it's going to be kind of brown. It is kind of brown. It looks more red. There you go. It's definitely a brown red. I'm not going to swatch it because I have a lot of this color. But this one is a full-size Jane Iredale lip product. Next, we got a Verso eye cream. And this is the number 5. Actually, the 5 is backwards. That's funny. This is the Verso eye cream, extra nourishing with oat. And this is from the Verso Skincare. Now, because eye cream generally comes in small tubes, this is a ½ ounce. This may be full size. We shall see. If it is, that's an extra full size product. Our next is an R&Co sample. We got an R&Co in the last one and an R&Co in this one. And this is the Thermal Protect Styling Spray. So generally we get a dry shampoo in these, but this is a Thermal Protect, a heat protector spray. So that's excellent. If there's some days I use, like today, I used a steam roller curling set that we have, which doesn't put a ton of heat and it actually adds moisture to your hair. But on the days that I use my curling iron, I need to use a heat protector. So this is a great one to use if I want to try something different than the one I already have. Our last product in this box is a Believe, a full-size Medicate. And this is Hydrate B5 Intense. And this is expensive. Medicate's expensive. I forgot, I looked this up because I knew it was coming in the box, but how pretty is the bottle? That is fully purple and beautiful. But this is the Medicate Hydrate B5 Intense. And this is the full size. I will put in the corner what the cost of it is. But this one is it's a hyaluronic acid with NMF hydration serum. So that is great. And this is going to be a 1 ounce size. We got a full-size Medicate. That's incredible. So this says it will supercharged version of the original Hydrate B5 serum, harnessing the hydrating powers of multi-weight hyaluronic acid, vitamin B12, and natural moisturizing factors. That's what NMF is, natural moisturizing factors. The lightweight serum floods the skin with intense moisture. Expect visibly supple, plumped complexion. Complements any skincare regime. So you can just add this to your skincare regime if you want to get that. So we definitely got our $30, $25, whatever we paid for this box out of this one. So we got our SkinCeuticals product. We got our Medicate full size. We got our Jane Iredale lipstick. We got an R&Co heat styling sample. And we got a Verso eye cream full size, I believe. So this box we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. But I think we got 7 in the last box. But I want to say more of these are full size. So the number of products that you get will vary. The value will also vary. But I'm assuming with less products, you'll get more full size. And the more sample size you get more products. So that's kind of a balanced deal, I think. So this was our 2 box from Dermstore. We will have 2 more coming from BeautyFIX on this subscription. We will have we're in October. We'll have November and December as well. I may go ahead and continue it through the first of next year. It just really depends on you guys. I want you guys to let me know your thoughts on what you want to see on the channel. I'm trying to build back up my number of boxes and the number of reviews I do. Also mixing in some things like Dollar Tree haul and some fun stuff that and Dollar Tree hauls to show you the fun stuff that they're getting lately. So let me know what you guys like. The way you do that is hit like, comment below. Just let me know what you think. The more feedback I get on a specific box, it helps me know that this is one that you guys like and you want to see more of. So like, subscribe, do all those things. Share with your families and friends, but leave comments, hit like. If you love this video, let me know if you want to see more BeautyFIX from Dermstore. BeautyFIX is a great skincare lovers box. It's a subscription that is primarily skincare. You will see makeup in here. You will see makeup in here from time to time, but primarily you're going to get some really high-end skincare products. And if you guys want to keep seeing reviews on it to know whether you want to subscribe to the box or not, do that by hitting like and maybe leaving me some comments below. I would appreciate it. But for now, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.